Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how you can check your battery percentage of your Soundcore K20i earbuds. So you won't be able to tell the percentage from the device itself. It does not have any kind of indication on the earbuds or on this charging case right here. There's no button, there's no indication, there's no LED, nothing. You won't find anything about battery percentage. So you would be thinking like, how do I find out how much battery is left? So it's pretty easy to find that out. You just have to connect these to a mobile device, and then there are two ways you can check this. All right. So one thing is through the Soundcore app. You got to download this app, Soundcore, from either the App Store or the Play Store, depending on if you have the iPhone or the Android device. This here, I have the Android device. So first thing is that we're gonna turn on Bluetooth, and then we're gonna go to Add Device. Let's wait for the device to show up here. 1 second, we actually have to take these out. I forgot to do that so that they show up. Yeah, there you go. Soundcore K20i, that's the name. Let's go ahead and connect. There you go. So now you can actually see both these battery percentage. This is left and this is right, and they are both currently full. Okay, so if we go back, you can see the batteries over here also, left and right. And let me get up close. Yeah, there. Now if you want to like see the exact battery percentage, you can also just go to your Bluetooth settings and you'll see battery 100% over here. So yeah, thanks for watching.